doing?
Revealing our second vacation, day one.
I only want vacation. Where they went, y'all? Y'all know already.
Mm-hmm.
Family,
It's your girl, Queen.
it's your boy Clarence.
And we are back with another
For your mother.
For your mother.
We are starting a vlog for our
Vacation. You know
Vacation.
what I'm saying? We're gonna be on a vacation in less than like what?
In less than 11 hours.
11 hours? Less than 24 hours. We'd be
And then
on
they got day
vacation.
one, day two.
We're in our
Probably coming up,
packing.
y'all.
We got more
And it's gonna be
footage
packing
content,
stuff
y'all.
over here.
And then all his stuff is
All
over
my
there.
stuff is over there.
Oh, it's a secret.
So we're doing good, but this is taking us all day. We literally just got back from Target. We were supposed to bring the camera, but I know you guys are probably tired of our Target
We forgot the
runs.
camera. We forgot.
And we forgot the camera.
Yeah. Y'all, we haven't been on vacation until, since
Since Jamaica.
Jamaica, and that was
Jamaica.
2 years
Are
ago.
this is crazy. Time flies.
2 years
Yeah.
ago? Or was it a year ago?
It was 2019. It was summer 2019. So that
Okay,
means,
so it's 2 years ago. Yeah, I guess.
I know you don't want to say it, but that's what it is. Oh, the last time I went on vacation was just it was so fun. I love Jamaica.
Jamaica. Bless you.
Kind of the same. It was like,
You had
it
the
was-
smaller ones. though.
No,
Oh,
they
no,
were
you had the
really
big jumbo one.
big.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she
And
got
it
them
was
big
hurt
braids.
your
They
head.
cute.
and yeah, Beast had to take them out for me. I was supposed
Oh,
to get
Beast
this
do
again,
hair too?
but,
Okay, Beast.
I don't know. The guy did my hair didn't answer. So
You probably gotta do your
It look
baby
cute,
hair.
though.
that's it. I mean, I'll
It
be
is
fine. I'm
cute.
getting in the water anyway. These gonna get messed up anyway.
Do you want to show them maybe what you're packing?
Oh,
and then I'll show them.
I got some cute sandals. I got. Yo, I don't want to be one of those people that's always shouting out the name brands, but I just gotta do it. These are some. You can see a little F on here. I just bought some Fendi little sandals. They're for my.
Orange.
I don't know. Y'all gonna see.
Yep.
I just bought these.
What? In the dolphin?
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, let me
Get
try.
your life.
I knew how to do it.
Let me do it.
It did take
He's
you 20 years to learn how to-
hilarious.
More
He's
like
so
that.
funny.
The dead one?
No, that's like the seal.
Yeah, that's what
So
it sounded
funny.
like. Oh no.
I'm gonna work
Queen, please don't hurt yourself. Oh God.
No, that's
Queen,
no, that's
Queen,
more like a dead
y'all
fish.
doing a caterpillar.
Stop.
Stop.
Dead fish.
Queen,
That's
please,
like
you're
a
hurting
fish. You're giving me
yourself.
Fish vibes.
Oh, don't say that now. Ain't no fish over here.
And that's right. Get him right, girl.
Right.
Don't be talking about her.
Don't do
I
Queen.
like sundresses and things like that. Clarence packed sneakers, sweaters.
I didn't.
He said, I don't know what it's gonna be.
He got a bunch of sneakers. I know he's not gonna wear them.
If y'all
I'll show
going
y'all a
someplace
little
tropical,
bit,
you
but I
ain't gonna
wanna
need
show
that
y'all,
sweater.
yeah. I like to show y'all my stuff through the Instagram, through my fits. You know what I'm saying? There's a couple of stuff. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? It's looking like a dunk kind of vacation. A low dunk kind of. I'm gonna wear them. So shout out to Travis Scott. These just came out. You already know I got them.
Okay.
You know? These glow up in the dark. Bet you didn't know that. We're currently packing. We
didn't
don't
know.
have that. Like, I want to type on a hurry up. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been at this all day. So I'm going to turn off the camera for a little while. And then I'm going to turn it on when maybe we're a little more done. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're not.
I didn't show you my stuff. Look, y'all, I just bought these. They
Who told you the bottles?
Hey, chill out.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, I love these. And then you was like, you sure?
When we was in, what, Miami?
Yeah. And you was like, you sure? I don't know.
And guess what, y'all? They turned out to be mad comfortable.
Them
These
shits
are
is
so
Fire. That hat is huge.
Yeah, you
gonna
gonna not get no sun. I like that.
No, I can put it in.
They can't see your face.
No, it's
Make sure you
bent
can
right
see
now,
through it.
Yes, it's supposed to be bent a little bit. Well, no, it's not.
I like that.
Like this.
She's like a flower
Yeah,
petal.
as soon as we get
Yeah.
there, you're gonna have to take that out so it could like
Take it out.
get its shape back out your luggage.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit. I'm all finished packing. Clarence, I don't know if he's done packing yet. I think he is, but I'm done packing and it's like 2 in the morning, y'all. And
Right.
literally we have to leave out of here by 6:30, I think. So I'm gonna go to bed. Clarence is still downstairs, you know, doing his thing. The thing that I don't do, you feel me? He's doing his thing. But yeah, everything's packed. I done closed my suitcase and everything. I got my bag ready to go. Ooh, y'all don't have on no pants. Ignore this junkiness. All this junkiness, y'all. But your girl's ready to go. Can't wait to go, y'all. I'm gonna go to sleep.
I literally just got out the shower, finished packing.
Claire gonna be sleepy on the plane.
8:40 a.m. Gotta be up at like 6.
Oh, y'all gonna be late.
They just gonna be late, yo.
Only get 2 hours of sleep. Let's see what Queen doing.
Queen gonna be rested.
Unless you wake her up getting in.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, he gotta check on the kids.
I'm about to get some rest, yeah. And I'm winded right now. I'm saying I can't wait to just be on the beach chilling. Exotic drink, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fine ass girl right there, you know, just chilling.
Oh,
It's
So we got
nice.
through everything we need to go through, and we're about to hop on the train. Got some breakfast right there. It was a pretty easy morning. Everything was good. Clarence
feel like a ninja.
Right.
Yeah, you gonna sleep on the plane.
I had to give me a little bit of rest. I can't function without sleep. But yeah, we'll be there anytime soon. Reggie, come here, Papa. Why you trying to go outside?
Looking at the window like, where y'all go?
Said parents gone.
Reggie,
Right.
come here, Papa. Hi, CJ. Good morning.
Oh, I like his jacket.
We are here, y'all, and it's piping hot.
They got the shorts on. Check. Are they on their way? It's lush.
Yeah, we in the car on the way to the resort. Getting used to the driver's side on that side. Yeah. And we drive on the left. Turn on the camera, y'all, because I really haven't been feeling well. Like I've been feeling really dizzy.
Oh no.
Wow.
I felt like it's yesterday, but now I feel like
Yeah, that flight made it worse.
Terrible.
they were like an hour away from the resort. So ASAP, yeah.
Oh no.
Hey,
Definitely the Caribbean.
We're
Mm-hmm.
about to go.
Yep.
Our first meal.
I see yellow and green.
Blank.
It look like Jamaica.
Jamaica or like St. Lucia.
Hi. Can I have 2 famous bowls?
No, that KFC
Yeah. Do you have the
in the
famous
Caribbean is fire.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I got a zinger sandwich.
And great green about. I got only 3 bowls here. I apologize.
Okay. Can I have a popcorn chicken and a fry? What you want to drink? Oh, these rolls are mad skinny. Do y'all see that? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's too big. That big truck in the car wasn't gonna get there. No, this one
give
get the
me
truck.
anxiety, and then look. Oh my god, we're over here.
It's pretty though.
Mm-hmm.
The cups, and yeah, we got a lot of food.
It's pretty though. Yo, they got Payless. I haven't seen Payless in forever. Beauty supplies. And we're like in the neighborhood now. We have arrived, you guys. Look at how
Okay.
beautiful.
Oh, that landscaping.
Yeah.
What, people cheering for them?
Right.
All right. So welcome. Or there's a song.
All right, y'all. We come.
I don't know. We gonna say
Earlier,
this.
y'all seen that we was packing and all of that, and we was on a flight. Yeah, finally made it. We showed y'all a little bit of the ride here. And now we are having dinner. I know y'all probably just seen us.
Damn.
It was daytime. Now it's nighttime, y'all. We just did a room tour, so y'all. Yeah, you guys will get that next. But let's take a look at our food. So the first meal we got, here's a light more. We both got filet mignon. Can't go wrong with some steak. I love mine's medium well. Clarence has his burnt. So no, just playing. He got his.
Well done.
He got his
Yeah,
well
well
done.
done.
He don't like no pink stuff. I don't know why. It's so juicy like that. Yeah, we got some molten cake, some chocolate molten cake, and some sweet potato cheesecake.
That's nice.
So I
It's
can't wait
right
to try it.
around the
And
water.
we just took showers, but it's beautiful, y'all. I really can't wait for y'all to see the room tour. And
It's lit. It's about to be lit, man. Make sure you stay tuned.
yeah, stay tuned. We ain't did this in a long time. I know y'all. Oh, I got water. I could drink it up, and then we get
Take your time. You're there all night. I haven't ate all day, guys. I swear to God, I asked Queen. I've been eating Cheetos.
We had KFC earlier, but I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't
It was
his.
different.
Uh-oh.
The chicken ain't.
What?
I'm just.
It was very different.
It's
by me
usually
eating Cheetos all
good.
day.
It must
So
not
I'm
be in
just trying to
Jamaica then.
Have a real
go
meal.
in on this steak, you know what I'm saying? Have a nice, lovely dinner with my girlfriend.
Oh, you so
Me
sweet.
and my girlfriend. That's sweet.
I love that. My girl, y'all remember when he first said girlfriend on camera?
Yeah.
Remember
In the
everybody
car when
was
they was
so
playing your
hyped. He was
music.
like that. He was like, "Oh yeah, that's my girlfriend." You was in a car. You told like the Uber. They was like, "Oh my God, he said it's my girlfriend." That was the very. Yeah, that's the very first time.
Y'all
he said
remember
it.
that?
But y'all,
Comment
my
below.
arm hurt.
I remember.
My arm hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog and love you guys, and we will see y'all soon.
Love y'all.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Uh-oh.
And we should. Before we end this video, make sure y'all show some love to this video, man. If y'all want to see that room tour, when I tell you this room is ridiculous, you know what I'm saying?
Ow.
It's very, very, it costs a lot. You know what I mean? So we need you. We need you. We need your support.
Keep
here.
it real.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, we
Make sure
need
you
y'all
smash that
support.
like
Y'all
button.
smash the like
Make sure you
button. Watch
subscribe.
our ads.
Right.
And look forward to that room tour.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. We're going on a trip and show you the room.
Going on a trip in a little rocket ship. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Why I got a song for everything all the time?
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.